Potatoes are one of the easiest vegetables to grow. Just make sure you add bone meal and an organic all-purpose fertilizer to your soil, and your harvest will look just like this. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna harvest purple, gold, and red potatoes. So we planted these potatoes around July 15th. And as you can see, they're all in different stages because they all came up at different times. Like you see this one right here, this one is ready. This one right here, it just popped up. It's probably about 3 weeks old. Check it out, see? But this one right next to it is ready. And you see all of this damage up here? That's because the tomato hornworms were eating all of this plant. But yeah, so I set those dates so you get a good estimate of when your potatoes are ready. Look, check this one out. This one is all the way ready. And this one right here just came up about 3 weeks ago. So if you're wondering when to harvest your potatoes should be ready to harvest between 60 and 90 days. But you actually can harvest your potatoes around 30 or 40 days. It just all depends on how big or small you want your potatoes. Because if you want little mini potatoes, you can start harvesting around 40 days. But if you want big potatoes, you should harvest them when they start dying back like this. You don't have to wait till they look all the way dead like this, but this one and this one right here are perfect examples of what you want your potato plants to look like before you harvest. So now you don't have to guess when to harvest your potato plants. Check out these 2 rows of potato plants. As you can see, all of them didn't pop up at the same time, because you see how small this one is, but you see how big those 2 are back there. And check it out, some of them didn't come up at all. Why? I don't know. That's just how things go sometimes in the garden. And we even planted, what, 2 back there, they didn't come up. So out of, let's count, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 potato plants. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them didn't come up. So if all of your potato plants didn't come up, it's okay. That's just how it goes sometimes in the garden. Potatoes are one of the easiest vegetables to grow. Just make sure you add bone meal and an organic all-purpose fertilizer to your soil, and your harvest will look just like this. Or maybe even better. Trust me. Let's see what we got. Look at that one. Look at that. Beautiful. So check these out. See how this potato plant look? Look how big these potatoes are. See, these are fully mature potatoes. See that? So this is a great video to watch if you want to see when to harvest your potatoes and why. Perfect example. If you wait, you'll get bigger potatoes. If you harvest early, you'll get mini potatoes. So check it out. Check out these gold potatoes. Check it out. See that? Look at that. And as you can see, these are mini potatoes. If I would have let this plant go a little longer, they would have got bigger. Check this out. Got some purple potatoes. Let's see. And if you're wondering, can you grow potatoes in containers? Absolutely. Look at that. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, did we miss any? 7, 8, 9. See that green stuff? Throw those away immediately. Potatoes are not good anymore once they start turning green. So check this out, fam. What I'm noticing is that your potatoes start turning green once they start being exposed to the sun. You see that? See how it's green? See if I can get in a little closer. So make sure you cover up your potatoes so they won't be exposed to sun, because this is what will happen. Check that out. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, don't even put the green potatoes in your compost pile. So I was just checking the temperatures, and I see next week we're gonna have some temperatures below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So I figure, why not come and harvest the volunteer watermelon? See if they're ready. If they're ready, great. If not, it's okay, because we didn't even plant these. We just threw watermelons that got affected by blossom end rot in the compost pile, and that's what we got. So this experience is going to show us, can watermelons be a low maintenance plant? What you guys think? From the looks of it, it looked like the answer is yes. And this is a great experience for us because I've always thought that you had to feed and keep watering your watermelons. We didn't feed or water these watermelons once, but they were in a super healthy, super fertile compost pile. Look how big and healthy this watermelon is. I can't believe this. Check this out. Man, this feels like it weighs about 30 pounds. And check this out, we have a lot of them that won't make it, but look, see one right there. One right there. Let's see. One right there. Another one. Another one. Let's see. Another one right there. One right there. Look. One right there. So, yeah, I'm super excited about finding out that you don't have to water and feed watermelon plants. Because I thought that you can only do that on farmland that's been there for, you know, 50 or 100 years. So let's find out if these are ready or not. This is definitely not ready yet. It looks like if we would have had 25 more days of temperature staying above 45 degrees Fahrenheit, we would have had free watermelons from a compost pile.